President Prabowo officially inaugurated the Silaturahmi tunnel connecting Istiklal Mosque and Jakarta Cathedral in central Jakarta. The underground facility, which was inaugurated on December 12, 2024, serves as a symbol of tolerance, harmony, and unity amid Indonesia's diversity.
Built with a budget of around 39 billion rupiah, the Silaturahmi tunnel is not only a physical crossing route, but also a space that encourages interaction and togetherness among different religious communities. The facility connects the two iconic places of worship while improving accessibility for visitors. Inside the tunnel, a metal relief artwork depicting two hands reaching toward each other carries a deeper message of equality, humility, and brotherhood. The artwork reflects the spirit of mutual respect and peaceful coexistence among Indonesians. The tunnel also integrates parking facilities and provides easier mobility for worshippers and visitors. Its presence highlights Indonesia's commitment to preserving unity and celebrating diversity as part of the nation's identity.